Good news, you're not alone. Did you know neck and back pain is the single leading cause of disability worldwide? In fact, approximately 8 out of 10 Americans will have back pain at some point in their life. Meet David. He heard a pop one day in his lower back and hasn't been able to shake the pain since. He continues to underestimate his symptoms of tingling, numbness in his legs, sharp stabbing pain, and tenderness. Living with this persistent pain has been emotionally taxing, leaving him feeling stressed, helpless, and depressed about the prospect of his future. For David, this pain quickly becomes his new normal, and he finds himself living on the sidelines of life, adapting his lifestyle to avoid triggering the pain. Like millions of Americans, he's tried the wait-and-see approach, attempting to manage his pain with rest, medicine, and a heating pad. Time passes, and there's still no relief. So now what does he do? Like you, David is over-optioned and doesn't know where to start. To get to the root of his pain and to get long-lasting results quickly, he needs to look for double board-certified spine surgeons, comprehensive service offerings, most advanced treatment options, spine-specialized medical practice, leaving him his one clear answer: Virginia Spine Institute. Scheduling is a simple process. Go to spinemd.com or call us at 703-709-1114 to schedule your initial consultation, with openings as early as this week.